Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is James and today I have something special for you guys. This is the SoundPeats Space Headphones. So SoundPeats sent me this product for a review, but this is not a sponsored post. And as always, I'll give you my unbiased and honest opinions. But before we jump in, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you can help this channel to grow. And click that notification bell so you can be updated on the latest tech and gaming reviews. Alright, without further ado, let's unbox and review this thing. Let's go. The box is simple. Inside the box, we see the headphones. A charging cable and 3.5mm cable if you want it wired. And the manuals. Let's check the ports below. We can see here is the charging port and the ANC button. And on the other side, we see a 3.5mm jack port, a power button, and the volume button. That's about it. First off, let's talk about the design. These headphones come in 3 sleek colors: black, white, and cream. They feature the iconic SoundPeats logo in rose gold on the ear cups, giving them a touch of sophistication. Plus, they're foldable for easy storage and transport, which is always a plus in my book. Now, when it comes to comfort, the SoundPeats Space Headphones doesn't disappoint. The earpads are plush with memory foam, ensuring a snug fit for hours of listening pleasure. While they're lightweight, the build quality feels solid, with durable plastic construction that's built to last. What sets these headphones apart is the microfiber-like material used on top of the headband, giving them a posh and luxurious feel. And the soft foam headband with the protein leather finish adds to the overall comfort. And the thing that looks weird for me is the font on the left side. It just didn't work with the design, but overall it's great. But enough about the looks. Let's talk about performance. These headphones boast Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for fast, reliable pairing with your devices. And with a battery life of up to 123 hours with ANC turned off, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice. Even with ANC on, you'll still get a respectable 61 hours of battery life. So whether you're on a long flight or a road trip, these headphones have got you covered. Speaking of ANC, let's talk about the active noise cancellation on these bad boys. It's seriously impressive, cutting out low frequency sounds like engine noise and air conditioners with ease. And while the ambient mode isn't quite as good, it still gets the job done when you need to hear your surroundings. Now let's get to the important stuff. How do they sound? In a word, fantastic. The SoundPeats Space Headphones deliver a smooth sound with a juicy bass that's deep and satisfying. The mid-range is lush and vibrant with vocals that are clear and forward. And with the SoundPeats app, you can customize the sound to your liking with a 10-band EQ. The transparency mode is natural and not overly artificial, allowing you to hear your surroundings without removing the headphones. And let's not forget about the latency performance. With gaming mode turned on, you'll get a latency of just 65 milliseconds, making these headphones great for gaming and watching videos. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with the SoundPeats Space Headphones. They offer fantastic sound, excellent ANC, and unbeatable battery life, all at a price that won't break the bank. So if you're in the market for a new pair of headphones, I highly recommend giving this a try. So what do you think of these headphones? Does it look good? Is it worth trying? And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And as always, let me know in the comments below on what you think of these headphones. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.